Hey, what's up, everybody? Peter, aka Joseph Von Schmidt with Diamond Handed Apes, man. It's March 19th, the quadruple witching date. Pretty insane market action. And I want to start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor, but I am also just someone that's trying to help people get financial freedom by using their own money in the stock market. And I'm basically going over the beginning of stock market, but this is just such an awesome and crazy thing that I saw today with AMC and this buy wall. So what had happened was that AMC is like super shorted stock, which means that everyone is really banking. A lot of these hedge funds are banking on this company not making money, not making revenue, and going out of business. And what it is you got the regular people, the apes, holding the line. They're holding the line to keep AMC up and running in business. And there's other people in there. There's other hedge funds in there, and it's just really awesome to see. A lot of people are expecting certain different things to happen today with a quadruple witching day, where if you don't want to know what that is, I kind of went over in another video. Check out my other videos on the triple witching date, quadruple witching date. It's just stocks, options, and futures are expiring, and but yeah, man, awesome. You guys are all part of history. These people holding on. I'm not telling anyone to buy AMC. I personally am a shareholder in it. I really like what's going on. I like the movement, and I'm really supportive of everything that people sticking together and working together, try to keep common people making money, and just like people like me and you trying to get ahead. And it's awesome to see. Peter, aka Diamond Handed Apes. Find me, Joseph Von Schmidt, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. And with that, also, if you don't have a training platform, check out the link in my description below for Webull. You sign up, make a deposit, and you're of $100, you're gonna get 2 free stocks. In turn, I'll get one, and we're helping each other out as we grow. Check out my other videos if you want to check out what the triple witching date, quadruple witching date is. If you want to check out options, buying and selling, explaining what stocks are. But until then, man, I'm so looking forward, so pumped to see what's going to happen May 26th. It's really exciting, really being part of history. Awesome. Guys, until next time, I'll talk to you later.